Energy efficiency is a top priority for many Pell City homeowners, especially with Alabama's hot summers, chilly winter nights, and year-round humidity. While insulation, HVAC systems, and roofing upgrades often come to mind first, the windows in your home play just as big a role in managing indoor comfort and monthly energy costs. One window style that stands out for exceptional efficiency is the awning window. With their top-hinged, outward-opening design, awning windows offer a combination of ventilation, insulation, and weather protection that helps Pell City homeowners maintain a comfortable indoor environment while reducing energy use. Here's how awning windows help you save money month after month. A superior seal that minimizes air leakage. Awning windows are known for having one of the tightest seals of any operable window style. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame on all sides, creating a compression seal that dramatically reduces drafts. For Pell City homes, this means less hot air sneaking inside during summer, fewer cold drafts in the winter, a more stable indoor temperature, lower HVAC usage and energy bills. Air leakage is one of the biggest culprits behind energy loss, and awning windows help eliminate it with their smart, secure design. Energy-efficient glass options for maximum savings. Modern awning windows are available with advanced insulated glass packages that help block heat transfer and maintain indoor comfort. These features are especially helpful during Pell City's hot summers, when keeping cool air indoors is essential. Energy-saving glass upgrades include double or triple pane glass for improved insulation, low-E coatings that reflect heat and block UV rays, argon gas fills between panes to reduce heat movement. These technologies ensure that your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, leading to consistent energy savings. Controlled ventilation that supports indoor comfort. Awning windows can be opened slightly at the bottom, allowing fresh air to circulate while maintaining protection from rain or falling debris. This is a huge advantage for Pell City homeowners who want ventilation without compromising efficiency. With controlled airflow, you can reduce indoor humidity, let in cool breezes on mild evenings, improve indoor air quality, reduce reliance on fans and AC units. By using natural ventilation during spring and fall, homeowners can cut down on energy use while keeping their homes comfortable. Weather protection that prevents energy loss. One of the unique benefits of awning windows is that they open outward, forming an angled shield that helps block rain. This allows you to ventilate safely during light showers without allowing moisture inside. Additionally, awning windows resist water infiltration, strong wind, seasonal humidity. This weather-resistant design helps maintain a tight seal, reducing the likelihood of warping, leaks, or drafts, all of which can compromise energy efficiency over time. Durable frame materials that enhance insulation. Awning windows come in a variety of frame materials, but the most energy-efficient options, vinyl, fiberglass, and composite, are especially valuable in Pell City's climate. These materials resist heat transfer, reduce expansion and contraction during temperature swings, offer long-lasting durability, require minimal maintenance. Because the frames themselves help block heat and cold, your home remains more comfortable throughout the year. Lower HVAC costs and long-term energy savings. With better sealing, insulation, and ventilation control, awning windows reduce stress on your heating and cooling system. When your HVAC doesn't have to work as hard, you pay less in utility bills and extend the lifespan of your equipment. Homeowners benefit from lower monthly energy costs, reduced HVAC maintenance, longer-lasting temperature regulation, improved overall home efficiency. These savings add up quickly, making awning windows a smart investment for Pell City residents. A smart, energy-efficient upgrade for Pell City homes. Awning windows deliver impressive energy efficiency, climate resilience, and functional versatility. Their tight seals, insulated glass options, and weather-resistant design make them an excellent choice for Pell City homeowners seeking long-term savings and year-round comfort. If you're ready to improve efficiency and take control of your energy bills, upgrading to awning windows is a simple, effective step that makes a big difference.